I'm so excited. I don't even know if I should wear these, bruh. Comment down below if y'all think I should wear these. Cause me, guys, I'm scared, bruh. Like new shoes, you know when you just bought new shoes, like it's crazy, bruh. When you just bought new shoes and like you're scared to wear them, guys, like yo, feel me? This is all this, guys. You feel me? YouTube! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Castells, man. And I'm back with another video. So, guys, I know, man, it's been a while. You feel me? Since I last did a video, it's been a while since I last did a video. You feel me? But, guys, nonetheless, today I'm back with another video. You feel me? And I want to thank each and everyone who subscribed to my channel up to this far, you feel me? Let's just get to 200 subscribers, guys. I'm begging you all, let's just get to 200 subscribers. And more content is gonna be dropping, you feel me? More content is gonna be dropping. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Let's get to 200 subscribers. And yeah, man, nonetheless, I love all my supporters. I love all the people that subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so guys, you all saw the title of the video, you all saw the thumbnail of the video, you feel me? What are we doing in today's video? We are unboxing, guys. We are unboxing, you feel me? We are unboxing, guys. We are unboxing. So today we are going to be unboxing. I don't know if you can see if it's written, but then you can't even see, guys. But anyway, so today in today's video, man, we are unboxing the Nike Air Force One, because I've been wanting this shoe, guys. I've been wanting this shoe for a long time, and I don't care if like your people gonna say like when it's a old shoe, you feel me? It's an old shoe, blah 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 blah. I still fuck with the shoe, guys. So this is an unboxed video, you feel me? And yeah, man, let's see how this looks. So first thing first, for the plastic, guys, you feel me? Because I know how you guys feel me? Things of sneaker wear, you feel me? Looking over there. So anyway, this is the box, you feel me? Yeah, you can see it's written over here. So now, I'm excited, guys. I was so excited when I got this shoe, guys. Like, damn. And it's new. Like, I got this shoe literally yesterday. I bought this yesterday, but then I was busy yesterday with some other things, so I couldn't like do the unboxing video yesterday, you feel me? So I'm gonna do the unboxing video now. Feel me? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video also, guys, you feel me? So feel me? Now we are unboxing, guys. So this is what I bought, you feel me? I don't know what's this, but some sort of like a Nike pack, you feel me? Nike pack, as you can see, it's written here. I wear size 8, guys. So please don't be like on me like, man, you have big feet, what? I wear size 8, you feel me? So yeah, man. This is the plastic. Now for the unboxing. Damn, I'm so excited. Let me just show you guys. So guys, yeah, man, this is the shoe. As you can see, still brand new, you feel me, with the whatever this is, by instructions or whatever this is. But yeah, man, shoes is still new, you feel me? Shoes is still brand new, bro. Damn, guys, like I'm so excited. Like I'm so excited. I don't even know if I should wear these, bruh. Comment down below if y'all think I should wear these. Cause me, guys, Like, I'm scared, bruh. Like, new shoes, you know, when you just bought new shoes, like, it's crazy, bruh. When you just bought new shoes and, like, you're scared to wear them, guys. Like, yo, feel me? This is all this, guys. You feel me? So, yeah, man. These are my new babies. These are my new babies, Nike Air Force One. You feel me? Let's go to the another one. Another one. Another one. You feel me? So yeah, man. This is how these babies are looking, guys. Ish. You feel me? So yeah, man. I know they tough, guys. They so tough. Like damn. These are literally tough as shit. Like, I don't even know if I should wear these, like, guys. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know if I should wear these now. But I just decided to do an unbox video for you guys. You feel me? Because you all know I like y'all guys. Actually, I love y'all guys. You feel me? But nonetheless, guys, yeah. This is the Air Force. Feel me? These are the kicks, bro. These are the kicks, bro. You feel me? And like, guys, me, I'm the type of person that when I buy kicks, bro, I wear them 24/7. Like, you're just gonna see me with the kicks, bro. You're just gonna see me with the kicks. You feel me? So, feel me? You can check the inside. Like, these are literally brand new, guys. These are literally brand new. They still even have like this thingies inside. The brown thing is inside. So they are new. They are literally new, bro. Feel me? They are new, guys. Like, they are new. You can even see they are new. You feel me? So yeah, man. Like, I'm excited, guys. So guys, man, if you'll watch the video up to this far, you feel me, of the unboxing of the Air Force Ones, you feel me. Thanks for like watching this video up to this far. This wasn't a long video, I guess, just an unbox, you feel me, something basic. Feel me? I'm excited, guys. Now it's time to put these on, you feel me, and just see how they look, you feel me. And then more content is gonna be coming, guys. Like, I know I've been inconsistent with dropping content because I've been doing some other stuff like trading, music, and all that, you feel me. But nonetheless, more content is gonna be dropping like soon after this video, you feel me. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, and hit that follow button. I love you guys a lot, man. And yeah, man, thanks for watching.